Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited about this design. I saw somebody recreate this over on Instagram. I will leave details on links to her Instagram so you can check that out. But this is a 5D teddy bear using Madame Glam 5D gel polish, and this one's called Amethyst. And this is genuinely my first attempt at doing this design. So basically it's kind of like doing lots of little circle shapes, and then you move the magnet over it, which obviously brings out that gorgeous 5D. You have to kind of experiment with the magnet, kind of work out which gets the best look, and then once you're happy with that, go and cure that in your lamp. So I'm adding another sort of circle here, and again adding the magnet on the top. So this is going to be sort of the mouth area. Ideally I probably could have done with that being a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to do the body. But what I love about this is because of its being magnetic, it kind of adds its own shadow on it, which is super cool. So obviously each section that I am doing, I am curing before I move on to the next bit. That's how it all kind of stays in place. But yeah, I mean, I have very limited freehand skills, but I still made this look like a bear using these techniques. And I just think it is so cool. It's almost like it's in the nail, if that makes any sense. I was just so happy with how it turned out. Like I say, the 5D, it adds its own depth into it without you really having to put that much effort in. So I've just added the arms now. So hopefully you can see it coming through. It's not showing up as good on my camera as it is in the flesh, I don't think. But there you go, that's majority of it done. And then you just want to come in and add the sort of feet now. So you can see not that many steps, to be honest, and because it's Madame Glam, I know it's a lot of curing, but it's so worth it in the end run. And plus it's like 30 seconds in a lamp with a Madame Glam polish, sorry. So I'm just finishing off with the legs now. So there you go. I mean, that looks super cute as is. So you could leave it like that if you want, but I'm going to go and add some details to this just to make it stand out that little bit more. So basically I'm taking a black polish and I'm just going to like outline the parts of the bear so you get even more sort of contrast. So are you shocked at how actually quite easy this is to achieve? I only wish I had the creativity to think of doing this on my own. But that's what I love about, you know, going over on Instagram and YouTube and things like that. There's like so many talented ladies out there, and to be honest, when I saw this one, I thought this is going to be made to look so much easier to create than it actually is. But yeah, seriously, this was my first time playing. I just recorded it and thankfully I did. And this is the end result, and I am over the moon with it, and I'm looking forward to experimenting more and more, creating nail designs, you know, doing some sort of like art using these polishes because it is super cool. So I wasn't really sure with the eyes. Like at this point it looks like a total sinister bear. You know, like Fright Night at Freddy's or something like that. So I actually went over it with black and added the white again, but just a little bit smaller. But I don't know whether I needed to add like another black dot in it or not. But I didn't want to like overly faff with it. So that is the end look. This is it with the torch off of my phone, by the way. So it brings out the glitters and stuff, which is super gorgeous. I was so happy with how this turned out. And kind of this is it without the lights on. And you sort of get more of the pinky goldy sort of colour shift coming through with this one. So please let me know your thoughts on this. Tag me in on Instagram at Gelulicious if you decide to recreate this. I would love to see your recreations, and genuinely, Jelly Babes, this was really easy to create, but I just think it looks super stunning. So until next time, Jelly Babes, take care. Bye.